Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing a tool that I have liked very much, called Any.do. They have just arrived on AppSumo, having 14 positive reviews. It's a tool that claims to organize your work and streamline team collaboration with this project management service. So Any.do is a simple project management tool that helps you manage tasks, organize projects, and collaborate with your team. It's a project management tool, like a to-do list that works pretty fast and that you can use WhatsApp to receive notes about your new tasks. I like it because it's simple to create new tasks and just to organize your life in 1 minute, adding new tasks, and they will help you to be organized all the time. The deal costs $59 for one user, and you go up to tier 3, having 5 users, and the tool is pretty established. Everybody use it. You're gonna get all future team plan updates even if you buy the tier 1. So let's take a look at the tool. Here is Any.do. As you can see, I do not have any event scheduled for today, but if I would have it to show up here. Here on the right, you can see my tasks. You can see that I'm working on it for my daily tasks. And if you want to see your daily tasks anytime, just click on it and the tool is going to show it on the middle bar. And so you can write notes on your tasks, set up reminds. That reminds can Any.do can send that remind to your WhatsApp. You can add tasks and create different workspace like personal or grocery list, works. You have different lists for your different tasks. You can add subtasks here, pretty simple. And you can add attachment, just drag and drop the attachments here. You'll be able to do it and to see it. I can show that attachment because it's my order receipt. When it's done, just click here. When the task is done, you can remove the task for the day. It's what I'm gonna do it now, removing both tasks for the day because they are not for that day specifically. If you want to add the new task, just go here, add for instance new task. It's done. Okay. And then you go here, you can set up a remind, pretty simple, for let's say tomorrow, adding subtasks and go on. Okay, you can see different kinds of views. So the next 7 days, you're gonna see like that. All your tasks, you're gonna see like that. And you can see by your list, on different lists. It's pretty simple to see. You can also create recurring tasks like this one. They will remind me about that task every week on Friday. You can create different workspace as well. About integrations, you can see users appear, having more than 6,000 integrations. You can receive your task reminders on WhatsApp, Slack, or even Gmail. You can import your tasks from Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Monday, Todoist. The tool has different teams, so you can use different kind of team. For instance, I'm gonna add that team here, and do is different now. And you can just go back and test another background until you are satisfied with the background that you want. So that's my Any.do review. I think you should buy it. They have also a Mac app and an Android app that works pretty well. It's a bargain on AppSumo right now because the tool is established, they have many users, and it works pretty well as a project management tool. I have added the best link on the description where you can get more information about that tool and also get the best price for Any.do right now. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.